Rajaji, Mr. R. Divakar and Mr. B. Shivarao went on behalf of the Gandhi Peace Foundation to some of the world's capitals on a great quest. A treaty for the suspension of nuclear tests. Mr. B. Shivarao writes, as we drove one September afternoon in 1962 past the gates of the White House in Washington to keep an appointment with President Kennedy, Rajaji leaned towards me in the car, looking quite exhausted after a long day and arduous program all through the day. What am I going to say to the President? I am so tired, he whispered to me, almost in despair. Don't worry, I assured him. The right words will come to you. And it proved to be, as I had anticipated, a moving appeal in flawless language for restraint in the use of nuclear energy. It was an unforgettable scene in the President's room. Mr. Kennedy sat in his rocking chair, fascinated by Rajaji's exposition of the case for a treaty suspending all except underground atomic tests. The minutes sped far beyond the allotted time of 25 minutes. Messengers kept coming in at regular intervals with notes from impatient aides to remind Mr. Kennedy that other appointments were falling behind schedule. The President ignored them all. With a face aglow with admiration, he seemed absorbed in the practical wisdom of the Indian visitor. Governor, he said every few moments for a brief intervention, but made it clear that in ultimate purpose he was in complete accord with Rajaji. The President later turned to one of his advisers to confess that it was for him a unique experience. For us too, who had accompanied Rajaji, it will ever remain a day to remember. Rajaji seems to embody in his long life the spirit so well conveyed by Shelley in Prometheus Unbound. To defy power which seems omnipotent, to love and bear, to hope till hope creates from its own wreck the thing it contemplates. This is from an article in Rajaji 89.